Greetings! I haven't been posting videos for a while. I was busy, but today I might just have enough time to put something together, what I've got in here in the back. And what is this? So it's a bag of components. A PCB and instructions in Chinese. Excellent. So this item came from eBay and it's an electronic password lock, little kit to solder together, and yeah, it's got a nice little star, must be a Chinese thing. There is the schematic, and as you can see, this is very basic. Pretty much the whole thing is dealt with by the IC, the HQS1436, and yeah, it's a little kit. So it costed £2.79. Item number 172226188197, and it came from a seller called T Happy, whose customers are 99.6% happy. Okay, so it's everything in here is based around this chip, which I'm looking at it right now. It hasn't even got any markings. It's perfectly blank. Oh no, it's got some markings on the bottom. It looks like someone bent the legs wrong way around on the chip. Okay. Now I've tried finding datasheet for this HQS1436. Good luck. I didn't find anything for it, and it seems like this is just a purpose-built lock mechanism. Now I can't immediately see how would you set the combination. I'm just starting to assemble this. I can't immediately see how would you set a combination for it, but we've got the 0 to 9 buttons and then lock and unlock. What I think is happening over here is that it's like one of those you know, hotel safe lock types. So it hasn't got a set combination. You basically set it with a code, and you need the same code to unlock the thing. And next time you lock the thing, whatever code you use to get it locked, this is the code you're gonna have to use to unlock the thing. And yeah, that's how this thing works. Now, at least I presume that's how it is, because I've seen different locks, and normally there is well, at least with some of the keypads, there is like a row of pin headers where you can set jumpers to set a lock combination, or I don't know, but yeah, this one hasn't got it. So I presume all the tact switch is clicking. The way to set it is just to yeah, set the combination and lock it, and then just use the same one to unlock it. Anyways, this one's got a little bit bent legs. It's a very purpose-built chip, this thing, because you could see the schematic. You saw on the schematic there's literally nothing special about the whole thing. And what's even strange is that the keys are not even multiplexed. So they've actually got a large a lot of, well, how many pins is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 pin dip package, and they are basically wasting 12 of the pins for the buttons, because each button as on the schematic, as you can see, is just pulling a leg to the ground. So we've got 10 on this side and 2 on the other side. So yeah, 12 pins go for the keypad, where you could easily do with maybe 7 or so, or 6 or 7, and you could easily you know, account for this many buttons. Or you could use resistors and whatnot, like it's used in headphone remotes. But anyways, let's just put whatever I can in here. I'm not doing this in the best order, but there's only so few components on here that I should be able to just solder everything in one go. Just bend the leads ever so slightly so the LEDs stay in place. And what have we got? How many caps have we got? 220. There we go. That goes here. And 2 trannies. And are those the same? Are they marked? 59S9013. They're both NPN according to the S9093. Yeah, they're all the same. And I'm gonna take a blind guess over here that those are the right pinout for this footprint. Actually, I've got a component tester. Let's use that. I acquired this recently, and I keep forgetting that I have it. It's actually a brilliant thing. Really simple, but handy. So we've got 1, 2, 3 will be emitter base collector, and according to the drawing on here, we've got emitter base collector. So yes, the pinout does match the rest of the pinout does match the actual transistor. Oh, come on, I'm being horrible with this. There we go. Nothing special about those transistors, I guess. They're just, I think they are only there to drive the piezo and the relay. Oh, look at this piezo, it's horrible. Will it focus? It's a questionable quality piezo speaker, and the legs slightly don't match, which helps it hold in place. And we've got 4 resistors. Well, I see 3 only. I've got 4. I think I got 1 extra 1K resistor. This should be 510 ohms. Let's check. It's a shame you don't see anything on here, because it's actually 499.3 ohms. The screen actually swamps the camera. Okay, there we go. Then this is pretty much ready for soldering. Oops, no, it's not. I'm missing a. What is that? Is that the power header? Okay, we might as well stick that in. Well, there we go. Now it is. I've managed to get 2 extra components: 1K resistor and a diode. I think it's the 4147. I think. Anyways, so yeah, let's get this soldered up. Okay, I've got the board upside down without a few things that fell out, but that's alright. And I'm just going to quickly flood this with solder everywhere I can, and then we'll power this up. And this is done with soldering, so just have to snip off the wires and we should be able to test it and see if we can get it to work as intended. That would be amazing. I'm still using my cuticle cutters, by the way. Those, if you haven't seen the video, please have a look. This is those are probably one of the best electronics wire snips cutters that I've ever had, and they cost me close to nothing compared to quality electronic snips. Okay, I've got a little power supply module here, 5 volts. It's set to 5 volts. This was another eBay gadget that I got some time ago. But yeah, let's see if we can get this going. So in this case the red one is positive and the brown one is negative. We got 2 LEDs. Which I'm not sure what they mean. Let's try to do something. 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. Oh, that's locked. And now if I do... That is an annoying sound. Okay, so it's unlocked. But if you try to... If I do unlock, nothing happens. What have I just entered? Oops. So if I remove power, it's unlocked. So it's not a very good lock, this, because if I remove power, unless by using this opposite, so let's say this is the lock state, and if I was to, well, that doesn't work either, because I can unlock it with any code. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, lock, and that's locked. And if I do 4, 5, 6, 7 unlock, that unlocks. 4, 5, 6, 7 lock. Okay, that all works, and this is really annoying. I've just noticed they've given a 12 volt DC relay in this kit, which means it doesn't work. So the relay is 12 volts and the maximum power supply for the chip is 5 volts, and the real 5 volts is not enough to get the relay to click. But if you increase the voltage, you're very definitely going to burn this thing out. So there you go. That's a bit of a fail, not a biggie. I guess you can always swap the relay for something else, or MOSFET or whatnot. But yeah. Okay, I've been trying to decipher what's happening in here with the 3 LEDs, and oh, by the way, it works even if we go well below. I mean, 2.5 volts, and it's chirping slightly different, but still operates. And it seems that at 5 volts, let me just get it back to 5. Yeah, so at 5 volts it's drawing quite well, definitely it's not registering on here. The instruction says that it's not 5 volts, 1.6 milliamps in terms of current draw, so quite a little. And you can I guess dim the LEDs further down and whatnot. I think that the chip itself is not drawing too much current, but those 3 LEDs, what I've worked out, the maximum password length is 6 digits, so if you enter any more than 6, this one will go off, and this is just unlocked and locked. So if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I enter 7th, this goes off, and I can lock it and it switches over, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unlock, and it will unlock it. So yeah, really simple circuit. Now there is 1 or 2 unused pins on here. Yeah, there is 1, and as I said, I can't find a datasheet on this, but I'm wondering if there could be a memory backup thing in case you remove power, because this can only work, it's not very secure lock, is it? Because thinking about it, all you have to do is cut the power off and it will unlock. But even if you contain the power like a battery somewhere within the safe box, for that matter, it will eventually drain it down and open anyways. So yeah, a little bit silly, to be honest, but okay, it kind of works, but it will be difficult to use this for practical reasons. Yeah, okay, nice toy. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and see you soon. Take care.